Welcome back, guys. Now we've spoken about everything on Gmail. The next Google Workspace tool we want to check is Google Docs. So Google Docs is like your Microsoft Word for Google. So let's see what Google Docs is all about. We all know what Google Docs is all about. So right now, we want to use Gemini on Google Docs. That's one of the benefits that came with this. So when you come to your Google Docs right here, because you're on a Pro plan, which you'd see all this rainbow kind of color, because you're on a Pro plan, you're going to have Gemini on your Google Docs. So when you open a blank document, you'll see Gemini right here, just the way you saw Gemini on Gmail. So on all your workspace tools, of course, you'll be able to use Gemini on it. So here is the Gemini icon on Google Docs. So here you can use it to generate documents, you can use it to write, you can use it to take meeting notes and more. You could see there are more you could do. You could do AI summary, you could get an AI summary, you could get a meeting notes, as you could see from here, and see your calendar event. You get an image route, and you could come to communication as well. You could get AI summary, image route, you could come to meetings, you could get meeting notes, you could get simple decision log, as you could see, and you'll be able to create a simple decision log. So we're going to see how this would go, and you see detailed decision log, which they would be able to make decision. This is a simple decision log, and here we are. Then if you're a project manager, there are things for you. So you have your review tracker, you have your team directory, you have your project assignment, you have your project assets, you have your project roadmap or product roadmap, then you have your content launch track. So there are a lot of things you could do right here. You as a social media manager, you as a virtual assistant. So this is where Gemini comes in for you. You could save contacts, look at contact right here, come save contact right here, and you just have to insert the templates. So you have applicants, yes, for maybe job or anything. You have applicants and you have sales contacts right here. So there are a lot of things you could do, like I said. So depending on what you want to do, just check out this. You'll see things you could do from here. I hope to see you in the next lesson. We're going to do some things and we're going to see how to use Gemini on Google Documents. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.